Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we got a cool video for you guys. I walked outside my front door and there's a lot of boxes and they're big, and I think they got some dirt bikes in them. So let's check out what's at the front door because I was sort of blown away. I'm like, yo, I didn't expect them to actually send them, but they did. So let's go. All right, here we got my beautiful crib. Looking beautiful. But check this out before I even open it. Are you kidding me, bro? Yeah, dude. They really shipped them, bro. They really shipped me freaking some bikes, bro. What the? Bro, this is crazy, bro. I woke up. I just woke up to all these freaking bikes in these boxes right outside my crib, and I'm just like, yo, like, I can't believe they did it, bro. I'm gonna explain a little bit later of like what I'm gonna use these for because I got a cool video idea and you guys are gonna freaking love it. I hope. This is going to be flippin' dope. We are about to have some crazy adventures on these bikes, bro. Me and the homies straight ripping around on these things. I don't want to explain too much of what these bikes are or exactly what I'm going to use them for. I just sort of wanted to give you guys an insight because I usually don't really vlog like insights to like future videos and stuff. So I was like, you know what? You guys don't even know what bikes these are, and I'm gonna keep it a secret for now until I post the video of me and the homies just shredding these things. I'm freaking, I can't believe they sent that, bro. Like, I can't believe they sent 5 freaking bikes. Like, what the hell is going on? And as you can see, we got the beautiful crib behind me, bro. It's a beautiful day. We blessed, bro. Every single one of y'all watching this video are blessed because y'all woke up. You feel me? These 3 bikes right here are like the 3 amigos. I feel like it's necessary to have a 150, a 2-stroke, and a 450 in your collection. You feel me? Like, these 3 bikes is the best of all the worlds. You get the 2-stroke power, you get that 450 power, and you get the mini 450 power, which is just the 150, but it's so smooth. It's like a cheat code bike. But enough talking about these bikes. It's time to hop on the beautiful 50. This bike is literally one of my favorites, and like, it's so small and dinky, and you can just shred around anywhere, like we're about to do right now. So enjoy. Yo, what the fuck? Woo, you already know we outside, boy. Let's go, bro. The 50, you see how smooth it is, bro? I love it. But yeah, bro, I miss like these little pit bike adventures and stuff, just being cruising around with like your homies, just mobbing around. And I was like, bro, those bikes I got today, they inspired me just to go around and shred. Let's see what this homie has to say. You gonna stop it for me? I need to go to cross. You got me?
I gotta cross this side.
Oh, you're going that way? Ah, okay. That means I can go, right? Skirt! You know, we had to shred the freaking screech for a second. I'm gonna hit a knee knot, bruh. Let's go. Yeah, we outside right now. The mailman loving it. But yeah, like I said, I just miss freaking shredded, bro. I ride this bike every day. I just never record on it, to be honest. Oh, dude, I forgot school's going on here, bro. Oh boy, we outside right now, dog. Oh my God. Y'all boys about to be waiting for a minute. Yeah, we outside. We ain't dropping, brother, until we're right there. Let's go. Yo, this house went sort of crazy on their Halloween decorations, bro. That's crazy looking. But yeah, if y'all are wondering, like, yo, MotoBroo, why do you have, like, why did a company send 5 bikes to you, and like, what kind of bikes are they? I'll let you guys know. You'll know soon, bro. The video's gonna come out in a little bit. Ah! But when I say we're about to freaking explore on my new bikes that I got, we are about to mob, bro. Mob with the squad, bro, just like the old days. And dude, this is gonna be a vibe, bro. I might just have to freaking shred my 50, dude. Alright, here we got a little stand up. Stand up's a little sketchy with the helmet, bro, because like I find it hard to figure out where the balance point is. Yo, look at all these cars, bro, just waiting, and I'm out here flossing. Oh my god, bro, it's been a minute since I've been on my bike. Well, it's been like a week, but still, like, as y'all know, when you take a little bit off the bike, coming back is a little weird. Especially because I went down on my 450 and now I'm back on their little 50. But we got there, bro. Look at that car. It's not even like parked in the parking spot. Stand up. A little stand up. Y'all know the deal, bro. Tune game on point right now, dude. Straight to a little one-hander. Woo! Bobbing. Tune game. Sir, bike life. Bro, just mobbing on the sidewalks, bro. It's a vibe. Dang, and I red Porsche. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't too crazy or nothing, but just some old classic vibes. And I seen all those bikes arrived at my crib, and I was like, bro, I just want to show you guys like a little insight, give you guys a little more insight of to like, you know, what's going on in the MotoBroo life and like things like that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. I freaking love you. Stay motivated. Till next time. Peace.